Hey guys, Burning Rubber here. So as you can see, the car was transported to a different location. When Bogdan bought the car, he estimated roughly that it's gonna cost him $6,000 to repair the car. The original shop that he took it to quoted him 4 times the value of his estimated repair. So with that being said, we took it to Vlad's garage and gonna try to do the repairs all on our own. So we started off by disassembling the whole front end and removing all the parts that were damaged. Removing the rebar required banging on it, so we had to close the garage not to upset the neighbors.
So as of right now, guys, as you can see, we have disassembled the front end quite a bit. Both headlights are out. The impact bar is gone. Radiator support is off, bumper is off. So now we've come to the radiators. We'll be taking those off in just a second.
Nice,
Yep.
nice. So right now we have a bunch of these parts. We have a couple of sensors, one headlight, and a bunch of plastic and trash. So here's the work we have done for like 2 hours today.
I'll be back at it tonight.
Yeah. So what was estimate price for the repair of
For parts, they quoted around 24.
24,000?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
That's extremely crazy.
It's like where you can put like 24,000 in like in here.
So before working on the car that evening, we pushed the car to the very back corner of the garage just to give us a little bit more working room. Obviously, none of us are mechanics or auto body guys, so we're just gonna take a stab on our own. Once we get it disassembled, we're gonna make a list of all the parts that we need to get. And again, the car does not start, so our main thing is to get the car started before we start assembling it back together.
What do you need?
So I need an intake manifold. It looks like it's cracked. That plastic piece.
Goes in here.
What else do I need? This part. What else called? What's that called, Taylor?
Thingy.
Okay.
Is that it?
I think you need a bumper.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, so far we spent about 5 hours disassembling all the damaged parts. Now we're just gonna do a visual inspection and make a list of all the parts that we need to order. The parts that were removed were obviously the front bumper, the 2 headlights, the radiator support, condenser, the intercoolers, also a bunch of plastic hardware that was damaged. The only parts that we still have left to remove are the main air duct, along with some small vacuum lines that will need to be repaired. We're thinking about disassembling the water pump. Just make sure that there's no debris after the accident. Also, you know, since the car is fully disassembled, a lot easier to get in there, so might as well make that happen. Well guys, thank you for watching our video. Our next video, part 3, will show how we attempt to start the car, hopefully get it started, and start assembling it back together. So thank you for watching.